the savior of Santali language, Ol Itun script, and the culture, Shri Charan Hembram, Padma Shri 2026. Charan Hembram, who selflessly devoted his entire life to giving identity and a future to the Santali language, the Ol Itun script, and Adivasi culture. Charan was only 2 when fate took away his father. Yet, under his mother's care, his childhood never withered. For just as a sapling needs a gardener to grow into a tree, he needed a guru. He found one in his maternal uncle's village, where learning the Ol Itun script would one day become the voice of an entire Santali community. Time moved on. He completed his matriculation, trained at an ITI, was in pursuit to an ordinary job. But life took an unexpected turn when he lost all his certificates during a train journey. Disheartened, adrift, he returned once again to his guru.
This is not an accident, but destiny's call. Santali is not just a path, it is your purpose.
Making the guru's words his mantra and the spread of Santali his life's mission, he trained as a teacher. And thus began his journey of teaching in villages, in schools, in asras, and sometimes even under open skies. There were hurdles, but he never stopped. One by one, hundreds of asra centers came to life. Thousands of children got Santali education, and Santali got a new life. Through his relentless efforts, he was appointed as Santali secretary, where he brought institutions together and gave recognition to these asras. A curriculum took shape, and with it, Santali became a subject and also a qualification for a good career. His compositions gave Santali its very own sargam. His music and theatre became the form of a living philosophy, a rhythm the entire Santali community could follow.
When we keep a language alive, the language keeps our identity alive.
Shri Charan Hembram's songs have kept Pandit Raghunath Murmu's eternal philosophy alive and are still showing his people the Santali way of life. Shri Charan Hembram, Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskar.